What is up, fam? Bloom Daddy with a new episode. Here's a quick intro. It's all about a DIY grow tent I just built in my room. It's huge. It can fit over 100 plants. A lot of my Tycons are going in there, all of my Monstera albo, and plenty of my big Florida ghosts are going in there too. So check it out and enjoy the video. Also, one more thing, fam, I included all the links to the products I am using in my tutorial down in the bio. So if you want to buy the same things, look at them in more detail, check it out in the bio. Uline offers many different sizes and heights for their racks, but I picked out this specific one for my room because it fits really well. And I also included these shelving liners in my order so that water doesn't dissipate between the levels. Step 2, time for lights. For this step, I am installing 6 T5 Barina grow lights that are 2 feet long and come with everything you need to make it work. I am installing each grow light with 2 zip ties that are included in the whole pack. I also purchased 1 pack of these 3 feet long T5 connectors because the ones in the Barina pack were just too short. Also, if you notice the acrylic side panels and back panels already on the greenhouse, just know this is an unnecessary step and you could instead put plastic sheeting all around the grow rack, which we'll get to towards the end. The lights are now installed. It's time to bring the heat. Heat mats help in 2 ways. Number 1, they speed up the acclimation process and root growth of your rare tropical plants, but they also just increase the overall temperature inside the grow tent. For fastest growth, you want temperatures to remain constant between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that we've installed the acrylic side panels, we've installed the heat mats, the 20 by 20 heat mats, all the lighting, and the barriers for water, we will be installing our own customized DIY greenhouse door. If you choose not to use the acrylic side panels like me, it's time to wrap your entire grow tent in plastic sheeting, which I'm about to show you how to do with the front. The plastic sheeting is 3.5 mil and it is 10 feet by 25 feet. This thing cost me 10 bucks and it looks like this. It's just a giant roll of plastic. Instead of installing 1 piece of plastic sheeting for the entire front, I'm cutting it up into 3 sections so that each section is airtight and will have its own zipper for easy access. You can already tell the difference between the acrylic side panels and the plastic sheeting, so now is the time for you to decide whether you want to do full plastic sheeting or acrylic as well. I wanted to give you guys a close-up of what I just did with my first plastic greenhouse door cut. What I did was I taped it to the top just as like a test with some basic Scotch tape just to kind of hold it steady. And then I tucked it in to the corners right here. And now that I did that, I'm gonna tape it in a little bit better. Step 1, choose where your zipper is going to go and cut it to size, making sure to leave a little bit of extra at the end. Steps 2 and 3, peel back the tape at the top part of the zipper and locate where you want it to go. Step 4, slowly peel back the tape as you firmly press down on the zipper, securely attaching it to the plastic sheeting. The final step, slide down the zipper and use an X-Acto knife to slice through the plastic sheeting. And just like that, we have an entrance. Watch how it works. Simply unzip like that all the way down, and voila. Access enough for me to get in with my plants to access this space. And I could already feel the temperature difference inside because of the heat mats and because of this enclosed environment. I'm really excited to start putting some plants in here now. It has been completed. Thanks for watching my DIY grow tent tutorial. Hope you learned something new and stay tuned for more videos about all the plants inside. Peace!